Welcome to Technical Gyan channel. In this video, we will learn how to download app or game on PC or laptop. So let's get started. First step is to open Microsoft Store and search the app you need. I need screen recorder and then click on the app that you need. You can see a button named Get. Click on it. If you have an mail account or Gmail account, you can sign in or on click No thanks and it will start downloading automatically. Loaded. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.